Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, lip smacking and melt in mouth cold dessert triple chocolate mousse cake without adding eggs. Yes, I'm going to use vegetarian gelatin made from carrageenan, which is a substance extracted from the edible red seaweeds called as Irish moss or Crontus crispus. And carrageenan is different from China grass, which is otherwise called as agar agar. They both are completely different. So the veg gelatin powder which I'm going to use for this mousse recipe is carrageenan powder and not China grass or agar agar powder, because both have different textures. China grass has more jelly like properties, and hence it is used in jellies and jelly puddings, whereas this carrageenan is used in mousses, cheesecakes, ice creams. They are used as stabilizers, so both are different. They don't have the same texture. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the base for the mousse cake, I have taken 2 packets of Oreo cream biscuits, each weighing 120 grams. So totally 240 grams of Oreo cream biscuits I have taken. Add them into a mixing jar and pulse them so that you get a granular texture. Don't make a very fine powder. Pulse them twice or thrice. Now to give it a little more smoother texture, add 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and pulse once again so that you get a smooth base. Now look at the texture, it is granular and it's not too powdery. Now transfer them into a spring form pan. This is a loose bottom cake pan I have taken. Press with the spatula or a spoon like this tightly so that it is ready. Now you can refrigerate it for 30 minutes until it gets set. Now we can make the next layer. For the dark chocolate mousse layer, take 1 teaspoon of wet gelatin powder in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of water, which is at room temperature, and keep it aside for some time so that the gelatin blooms. Now take dark compound chocolate, 150 grams. This is cooking chocolate. Transfer them into a mixing bowl and add half a cup of whipping cream to it. Mix well and microwave for 1 minute to melt the chocolate. You can also use double boiling method to melt the chocolate. Please watch my another video in which I have explained how to melt compound chocolate using double boiling method. I have given the link in the description box. Now mix it well and keep aside. Now our bloomed gelatin is ready, and look at the texture, it is bloomed perfectly. Now to this add 2 teaspoons of hot water. This is to activate the gelatin and also for maintaining the same temperature as the melted chocolate so that it mixes well with the hot chocolate without the formation of lumps, because the temperature has to be the same because the chocolate is hot, and this also should be hot so that it gets incorporated well, so that the lumps are not formed. Now mix well and keep it aside so that it attains the room temperature. Now take another bowl and add half a cup plus 1/8 cup of whipping cream. Beat with an electric hand blender till it attains that smooth peak consistency. You can see it has been beaten well. Now pour the chocolate gelatin mixture over the cream. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it thoroughly with a whisk till it gets incorporated with the whipping cream. Never use the electric hand blender to whisk it, as the gelatin may lose its setting properties when beaten with a high speed, because the blender may generate heat, and that is the reason don't use it. Now pour the mixture over the set biscuit base and spread evenly with a spatula and refrigerate it for about 1 hour so that the layer gets set before we make the second layer. Spread it well and tap it gently to remove the air bubbles and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.